start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. So, quick gel polish design today, and I'm going to be using some of these holographic reflective gel polishes from Kiki London. So I swatched these probably in my last video. If you want to go and watch that, I'll leave it below. Look at those colours. Oh my gosh, aren't they pretty? So I'm going to be using this one today. It's called Snowflake. Beautiful colour. It's like a champagne gold or antique silver. Look at that sparkle. My gosh. So yeah, we're going to use that one today and just do a cute pink gel polish design. So I'm going to paint 3 of these tips in this pink. I'll just show you doing 1 or 2. Nice thin even coat. Cure that for 30 seconds and then I will give them a second coat and cure that for 30 seconds. So I bumped this little one in the lamp, but luckily I could just buff it and it was fine. So that's what that is. I bumped it in the lamp, which I very rarely do. Very rare. So this is Vanilla Latte from Kiki London. This is in their bigger 15ml bottles. And it's just a really nice creamy nude, isn't it? I love it. So on this last nail, I'm just going to do a nail bed. So I'm just roughly doing the nail bed with the brush out the bottle. Just getting it round about where I need it to be, ish. And then I'm going to use the Kiki London. I think it's the detail liner brush, can't remember, I'll probably show you. Let's have a look, yeah. Striped liner brush, and I'm just going to neaten this nail bed up. Just get it nice and crisp, nice and neat. I am going to be putting a frame around this smile line later in the video, so it didn't need to be perfect, but get it best you can. And then I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds and give it a second coat. So now that's had 2 coats, I'm going to paint this free edge in the pink. Same again, I'm going to do the majority of it with the brush out the bottle. And then I'm going to use this little skinny liner brush. I love this little liner brush. It's quite long, but it's just the right length to do lines. You can do detailed work with it. It's a fantastic little brush. I really enjoy using it. So I think I'll just show you doing 1 coat, but I do give this a second coat as well. So a couple of these nails I'm going to be doing little detailed work on. I'm going to give them a matte top coat. It's just neater and tidier to work on a matte top coat. The gel doesn't spread out. So I'm using this gorgeous colour. Snow Fairy is it called. I'm going to do a sweater nail. This is a bit of a different nail, isn't it? To your normal sweater nail. Yeah, I'm just going to carry this pattern all the way down to the bottom. Yeah, it's just going to be your typical sweater print, so I'll just let you watch for a sec. So using the same gel, I'm just going to put a little frame, little border around this smile line. These gels are brilliant for doing little frames and borders like this because it's absolutely jam-packed full of shimmer and reflectiveness. So I didn't have to keep going over it. Just a little swipe up each side was all it needed. So that's going to go in the lamp now for 30 seconds. I love these colours together. So I'm using Kiki London White, which is a fantastic white, by the way. This is the first time I've used it actually, because it's brand new, obviously. And I'm just going to do some really skinny, thin lines down this nail. Two there, and I'm going to do one more above it and under it. And then I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And I am going to give this nail a matte top coat before I use the sparkly colour. I wanted this nail and the sweater nail to be matte underneath the sparkly reflective colour. So that's had a matte top coat, and I'm just going to do same again as the white, but these are going to be thicker lines. Just one line next to each of them white lines. Look at that sparkle, I love it. It's not a spark, is it a sparkle or is it a reflection? Bit of both, isn't it? Reflective sparkliness. So I'm just going to shut up. So now this last tip that is just a plain pink nail, I'm going to do a snowflake at the top. So this is how I've been doing my snowflakes recently. So easy. Just make a star shape out of dots. You could do as many dots as you like. You could do them as big or as small as you like. And once you've made that star out of dots, just use a skinny brush and starting with that middle dot, just keep pulling through them like that. All the way around, keep pulling through all them dots. I don't think I will ever go back to doing the snowflakes how I used to do them. They used to take ages, they were never even Steven. And look at these, so easy, and they come out perfect every time. So I'm going to stick another one underneath. You didn't need to see me doing it twice. And now I'm just doing some little dots just because. And then that's going to get stuck in the lamp for 30 seconds. Easy peasy today, isn't it, guys? So same with this one. This is going to have a little itty bitty mini snowflake, and I'm going to do a little 4-pronged star on this nail. So now, can you remember I did that sweater nail in matte? I wanted the sparkly to stay. You could just wipe the tacky layer off, you absolutely could do that. But I wanted it to be super glossy and stay sparkly, even though they're not on my own nails. But if they were on my own nails, I would top coat the sweater pattern like this, just to keep them glossy. And this one is going to be glossy. Yeah, the other two nails are going to be glossy. A nice generous layer. Kiki top coat is a thick one, so it's brilliant for going over artwork like this. You don't need to buff it to get it smooth or anything, because it's a thick top coat. It just smooths that nail out. Brilliant top coat. I really, really like it. It's going to be brilliant for glitters and stuff. So now where we at? Blink, let's get some bling on, yeah, why not? Oh my gosh, how pretty are they? I want these on my own nails right now, right this minute. So that's them with a little bit of light shining on them. So let's have a look at them in normal light. So that's what they would look like, just in daytime, out and about. I definitely prefer them with a light shining on them. Anyway guys, that is it for today. All links, discount codes will be below as always. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.